Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a waitlist using Mailchimp. First, go to the official Mailchimp website and make sure you are logged in to your account. Click on the Create button and then select Landing Page. Now enter a name for your landing page and tap Begin. Next, choose the template you want to use. Once the new page loads, delete any sections that you don't need. Now select the image block and drag it to where you want it on the page. Upload the image you'd like to use, and once it's uploaded, click Save and Close. Scroll down and select the Sign Up Form block, then drag it to the page. Choose the fields you want to include, such as first name and last name. After you have added the fields, tap Save and Close. And finally, click Publish and your waitlist will now be live. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.